Good morning. Thanks for tuning in to another watch list brought to you by FTX. If you don't have an FTX account, then you know what to do. Just click the link in the description below and you'll receive 10% off your trading fees. Okay, Bitcoin. What an interesting day we had yesterday on Bitcoin. It was down, it was up, it was down, it was up. Going to bed last night, it was down quite a bit. But I think there was a Fed announcement about interest rates or inflation, and yeah, we saw a good bounce. So we saw that in the S&P as well. So it just shows that Bitcoin is beginning to be more correlated with the S&P and traditional markets, which isn't such a bad thing. At the moment, there isn't anything on Bitcoin. Still looking a little bit flat, although we did have a lot of buying come in last night. We still need to break this previous high. The trend is just rubbish on the daily, just extremely flat. So the lower we go, the worse the trends get. The 4 hour just isn't there either. Could have a look lower. This 1 hour, look at that, just a mess. So nothing really on Bitcoin for us at this stage. Ethereum on the daily, another one that did pop up above this level. So if you have a look at this weekly level, a few tests and we've broken through. So we did, if we do close with a strong weekly candle above this level, that's a really good sign. As far as the daily goes, what I'd like to see is a little push higher and then a pull back into the cradle zone on that daily time frame. The MACD will be convergent and all time frames will look good. So that's what I'm waiting for on Ethereum. We can have a look lower. I don't think they're the trend is a mess on the 4. We've gone from low to high, and the 1 hour is just a huge candle, almost 7% candle in 1 hour candle. So it's quite large. If you are that way inclined, you can go lower and have a look at these lower time frames if we do see some further buying. But for me, I will be waiting for that daily pullback. Axia's one that on these lower time frames, we're waiting for a pullback onto this level. So it's a solid level through here. The trend isn't the best, but if we do get a push higher and a pullback to that level, I'll want to know about it. So that's why it's in the list. C98. Let's have a look at the daily. So this was a daily cradle. If you did raise orders for this, you probably triggered in right now. I know that the candle is a little bit big. We discussed this on the live trading floor this morning. The trend is there, a little bit of a big candle. If you are that way inclined, go ahead, the trade's there. But the lower we go, 4 hours in a downtrend, the 1 hour, we can definitely watch the 1 hour, bit of a level through here. So if we do see some further buying, break up through that level, pull back to that level, I'll want to know about it. So my approach will probably be focusing on this 1 hour time frame. PERP daily pulled back almost in that cradle zone, not deep enough for me, but we do have a bullish candle there. It's looking good. If we do see some buying, I'll be focusing on these lower time frames to try and catch a trade. Nothing there at the moment, but it is in a good position on that daily time frame, so that's what's in the list. XLM, another one with a solid level through here. A push higher, pull back to that level. Definitely want to know about it. 30-minute doesn't look too bad. So we've got a nice trend, higher high, higher low, push higher, pull back to that level. The MACD will look good. The 1 hour backs it up. So yeah, Stellar Lumens is looking good on the lower time frames. And finally, XTZ, another one with a nice level through there. Push higher, pull back to that level. The reason I'm speaking about levels is I love a level to back up my cradle trades. It just adds a little bit more security to your stop loss. So hopefully, we get some further buying and then a quick sell off back to this level on XTZ and XLM, and we get some nice cradle trades today. Failing that, we do have some higher time frame options, but overall the market is a little bit of a mess, a little bit confused, a lot of selling, a lot of buying. So if you are staying out, don't feel bad, don't feel like you're missing out on anything. You're probably doing the right thing. So yeah, that's the list for today. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Craig. through the live chat on the website. If you do want to know any more about our courses, then again, feel free to reach out and we'll be happy to help you out. But have a great day, and I'll chat to you soon.